Homemade banana pudding recipe, delicious dessert. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a sweet treat in store for you, a homemade banana pudding that will satisfy your dessert cravings. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's super easy to make. So, let's dive right into the ingredients you'll need and the step-by-step preparation. For the pudding, 1 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3 pinch of salt, 4 2 cups whole milk, 5 3 large egg yolks, 6 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 7 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the assembly, 8 4 ripe bananas, 9 1 box of vanilla wafer cookies, 10 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 11 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 12 a dash of ground cinnamon, optional. Step 1. Prepare the pudding. Let's start by making the pudding. 1 in a medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar, flour, and a pinch of salt. 2 in a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks and set them aside. 3 over medium heat, gradually pour in the milk into the saucepan with the dry ingredients, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. 4 Continue whisking until the mixture thickens, which should take about 5-7 minutes. 5 Once it thickens, remove it from heat and gradually add the egg yolks, whisking constantly to avoid cooking the eggs. 6 Remove it from heat, and stir in the butter and vanilla extract until the butter is completely melted. 7 Let the pudding cool for a bit while we move on to the next steps. Step 2 Assemble the banana pudding. Now, let's assemble this delightful dessert. 1 Slice the ripe bananas into thin rounds. 2 In a large trifle dish or serving bowl, start by layering a few vanilla wafer cookies at the bottom. 3 Follow with a layer of sliced bananas on top of the cookies. 4 Next, pour a portion of the pudding mixture over the bananas and cookies, spreading it evenly. Step 3 Whip the cream. To finish it off, we'll make some whipped cream. 1 In a chilled mixing bowl, pour in the heavy whipping cream and add powdered sugar. 2 Using an electric mixer, whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Step 4 Serve and enjoy. And there you have it, homemade banana pudding. 1 spoon, a generous dollop of whipped cream on top of your pudding. 2 You can garnish with some extra banana slices or a few vanilla wafers if you like. 3 Grab a spoon and dig in. This creamy and comforting dessert is a true crowd pleaser. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today as we whipped up this delectable homemade banana pudding. It's a classic dessert that never goes out of style and is perfect for any occasion. Be sure to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more mouth-watering recipes, and let us know in the comments how your banana pudding turned out. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much.